Welcome to the Confiserie de Hautes Vosges, also known as CDHV, a well-known confectionery company located in the Vosges region of France. To support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. This family-run business has been producing high-quality sweets and candies since its establishment in 1994. One of the distinctive aspects of this confectionery company is its commitment to preserving traditional artisanal methods of candy making, while also embracing modern techniques. The company combines the passion and expertise of its skilled craftsmen with innovative ideas to create a wide range of confections. They are particularly famous for using only natural and locally sourced ingredients, ensuring the highest quality and authenticity of their candies. The confectionery offers a diverse range of products, including a variety of chocolates, nougats, fruit jellies, and fruit pastes. Each delicacy is carefully crafted to deliver a delectable taste experience to customers. Their commitment to quality is evident in its selection of ingredients. This dedication to sourcing premium ingredients is reflected in the superior quality of their products. Despite being rooted in tradition, the company embraces innovation and continuously explores new flavors and production techniques.